Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to allow asking for VR permission on the Facebook app on your PC, especially after the latest update. Whether you're setting up your VR experience for the first time or adjusting your permissions for better control, this guide will help make sure everything is set up the right way. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account and that your app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you'll see the newest layout and access the updated settings. Once you're in the app, look toward the top of the page and click on the three dots, the ones usually located in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find more options about the app. From that menu, locate and click on App Info. It might take a second to load, but once you're in, you'll see a series of settings related to how the Facebook app operates on your PC. Next, scroll down and enter into the Settings section. This is where you'll be able to view more in-depth options about privacy, permissions, and how your app connects with other platforms, including virtual reality. Now, click on More Settings and Permissions. This will expand a list of detailed controls over what the app can access and how it interacts with external devices, like your VR headset. Look for the option labeled Virtual Reality. It should be listed among the permissions. To the right of that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here's the important part. Choose Ask. This setting ensures that any time the app tries to connect with a VR device or activate a virtual reality function, it will prompt you for permission first. And that's it. You've now updated your settings to allow VR access only when you approve it. This added layer of control keeps your experience more secure and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your virtual adventures.